Hello everyone, welcome to Craxoid. Today in this video, I am going to give you the review of Syberia OS version 6.3 based on Android 13 and has Android security update of February 2023. This is the latest build of Syberia OS available right now, which has the build date of March 21, 2023. So in this video, I am going to show all of its new features, customizations, benchmark scores like AnTuTu Benchmark, Geekbench 5 and 6, CPU Throttling Test and many more. So let's start the video. User experience. I have installed this ROM on my Redmi Note 8 device, and this ROM provides smooth user experience and I'm not facing any lag, slowdowns or stuttering while swiping and scrolling through the screen. And as you can see the app opening and closing speed of this ROM, tell me in the comments how is the app opening and closing speed that this ROM provides. AnTuTu Benchmark Score. Now moving towards some benchmark related tests, I'll start with AnTuTu Benchmark, and as you can also see the AnTuTu Benchmark score of this ROM is 203225, which is a pretty good score for this device. And if we compare this score with its previous version Syberia OS 6.2, the AnTuTu score was 209970. Geekbench 5 score. Now let's check Geekbench scores, and at first I'll show Geekbench 5 result and the Geekbench 6, and as you can see the score for single core is 300 and the score for multi-core is 1203. And if we compare this score with its previous Syberia OS 6.2, the single core score was 302 and multi-core score was 1322. And recently I have given the review of latest Evolution X 7.7 ROM, and the score was 298 and 1262 respectively. Geekbench 6 result. Now let's see the result of Geekbench 6 test, and as you can see the single core score is 319 and for multi-core the score is 1165. And if we compare this score with the latest Evolution X 7.7 ROM, the score is almost identical and the score was 319 and 1155 respectively. Camera. Moving towards camera, this ROM provides two different camera. First one is MIY camera and second one is aperture camera. But the sad thing is that this MIY camera does not even have a 48 megapixel camera option, and when you switch to portrait mode, the camera crashes. But that another Lineage OS aperture camera in this ROM is working properly, and for better result you can use Gcam2. CPU Throttling Test result. After completing benchmark test, I'll now show the result of CPU Throttling Test. I have done this test for 15 minutes straight and I'm really surprised by its result. As you can also see, by performing CPU Throttling Test for 15 minutes, no any CPU thermal throttling was detected in this ROM, and the average score is also too impressive, which is 147175. And in latest Evolution X 7.7 ROM, I have performed the same test for 15 minutes and the CPU has throttled to 93% of its maximum performance, and the average score was 139581 GIPS. So now after conducting all the CPU and performance related tests, I'll now show the safety net status of this phone, and as you can see it has passed the safety net compatibility test, and under Play Protect certification on Google Play Store app, device is certified as well. Launcher. Now talking about launcher, this ROM comes with Syberia launcher, and from its launcher home setting you can use taskbar feature, which will help to do multitasking easily. And from its recent section you will get all the necessary features like app info, split top, force stop, on install and freeform. And if you look down below, you'll get three options like screenshot, clear all and lens. And there is no any option to change or add these quick actions buttons. Google Photos storage. If you are wondering whether you will get unlimited Google Photos and video storage feature or not, then you don't need to worry, because unlimited storage spoofing is present on Google Photos app. Wallpapers and styles. Moving towards wallpapers and style section, there is no any significant changes that have been made. You will get same features like wallpaper colors, basic colors, along with other additional features like dark theme, themed icons and app grid, and this app grid has up to 6:10 sized grid option. Quick setting. So this is how quick setting panel looks like, and this does not come up with tons of tiles options, but some necessary tiles like extra dim, scan QR code, Dolby Atmos, etc. are present, and this Dolby Atmos is working fine. Settings. Now let's see what's new inside its settings section, and this Syberia OS comes with a unique setting styles which looks completely different than other setting styles. And at first there is owner section from where you can add and use multiple users on your phone, and each user will have a separate space on your device. Private DNS. Inside wallpapers and styles, there is private DNS option from where you can use any DNS server, but you need to type them manually as no any custom DNS provider is listed there. Display. From its display setting, you can get screen timeout option which has maximum 30 minutes of limit, and screen attention option is also added here which will prevent your screen from turning off if you are looking at it. And below there is dark theme option from where you can schedule it, but no any custom themes are present in it. But let's see if custom themes are available on other areas or not. Syberia settings. Below display setting there is Syberia settings available where most extra features are added in it, and let's explore them. At first there is system section from where you can do general tweaks like changing USB configuration, unlock higher FPS in games, etc. And when you go back you will find button setting from where you can enable advanced restart option, and if you enable this option it will show extra options to reboot your phone like into recovery, and you can even add more options from this power menu section. And if you like to show volume panel on left side of your screen, then simply turn on this feature, then volume panel along with volume slider will be shifted on left side, which normally used to be on the right side of the screen. And from panel section you can customize status bar where lots of status bar related settings are available, notifications from where you can customize various features for notification panel like quick QS pull down and many more, and navigation bar option from where you can customize navigation panel but only invert layout option is present there. And from gesture setting you can enable swipe to screenshot option, and when you take screenshot you can share, edit and delete it, but search lens option is missing in it. And there is a separate parallel space present which allows us to create a duplicate or clone of an existing app on our device. And the game space feature which was not present in its app setting is shifted here, which will help to enhance your gaming experience by allowing us to customize various settings. And inside its UI settings you will find some user interface and theme related customizations, like you can use this black theme option, and this will force app to use black background color. And you can also set custom colors according to your preferences, and this will allow us to use custom color for Monet engine instead of wallpaper colors. And at last there is lock screen from which you can enable ripple effect, which will give an animation like effect after unlocking the phone with fingerprint sensor. And you can also enable this lock screen charging info option which will display maximum current voltage and current temperature on lock screen while charging. Battery. Now after exploring extra features from its Syberia settings, let's see what's inside its battery setting. Here you will get total 6 different options like battery uses, battery saver, adaptive battery, battery percentage, battery charge warning and current battery temperature. And the sad thing is that they haven't fixed this battery percentage bug which was also present in its previous Syberia OS 6.2 ROM. App lock. And from its security setting you can use app lock feature on your phone, and to use this we need to set a screen lock at first. Xiaomi parts. In this Syberia OS, you will also get Xiaomi part setting where you will find some useful features like MI sound enhancer, clear speaker, display color calibration, etc. And on system settings, you will also find updater section to see if any new update is available or not. And if you're using Syberia OS 6.2, then you can just dirty flash to update to this Syberia OS 6.3 ROM. But if you're in other ROMs, then you may need to perform clean flash. If you feel any confusion, then watch my clean flash and dirty flash video from the description section below. So this is all about the latest Syberia OS 6.3. I find this ROM really impressive, especially with its benchmark scores and CPU throttling results. Although this ROM does not come with tons of customizations like ancient OS, but you will get many customizations that will definitely fulfill your needs. And one thing that I didn't like is that they haven't fixed that battery percentage bug from its battery setting, which was in its previous version also. Other than that, everything is working perfectly in this ROM. So what do you think about this ROM? You can share your thoughts and experience related to this ROM on comment section below. And thank you so much for watching this video, and if you liked our video then don't forget to hit the like button, comment down below, share this video and subscribe to Craxoid. Also hit the notification bell. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.